WasenderAPI is the #1 WhatsApp webhook provider in 2025, fast, reliable, and built for real-time automation. Let's dive in and see what makes it so powerful. Now I get it, the word webhook might sound a bit technical, or like something only developers mess with, but stick with me because this is one of the most powerful parts of WasenderAPI, and it's way simpler than you think. So picture this: a webhook is kind of like your app's own personal listener, or like a digital assistant that sits quietly in the background, and then the moment something important happens, it taps you on the shoulder and goes, "Hey, something just changed, and you should know about it." Instead of constantly asking the system like, "Hey, got any updates?" or "Any new messages?" which is kinda wasteful and slow. With webhooks you get instant notifications from WasenderAPI whenever something actually happens, and I mean instantly. Now once you set up your webhook URL, which is like the address where you want to receive updates, you'll start getting real-time info from WasenderAPI about all kinds of events, and I'm talking about a lot of stuff, so let me break it down for you. We'll start with chat events. So the chat upsert webhook comes in when a new chat is created or updated. Maybe someone new messages you or an existing chat gets a little change. Then you've got chat update for those more detailed tweaks inside a conversation. Maybe the name changes or someone leaves. And of course there's chat delete, so when a chat is removed from the system, boom, you get the notification right away. Alright, moving on to group chats, and let's be real, if your business or your team works with WhatsApp groups, these are so important. You've got group upsert when a group is added or synced. Group update kicks in when something changes in the group settings. And my favorite for managing people, group participants update. That one tells you when someone joins, leaves, or even gets promoted to admin. It's super handy for support teams or any automated workflows using multiple users or numbers. Now let's talk about contacts. So there's contact upsert whenever a new contact is created or brought into your system. And contact update, yep, that lets you know if any info on a contact gets changed, like a phone number update or a name tweak. Alright, now here comes the real juicy part, the message events, and yeah, WasenderAPI shines here. So message sent means your system sent out a message successfully, kind of like a virtual thumbs up. Message upsert is for incoming messages, so when someone sends you a text or image or video, you'll know immediately. Then there's message status update, and this one is gold. You'll see if the message was sent, delivered, read, or still pending. If someone deletes a message, you'll catch that with the message deleted webhook. And message receipt update gives you that extra info, like, hey, the message landed but hasn't been read yet. And yes, even emoji reactions. Message reaction webhook covers that too, so if someone sends a heart or a fire emoji, you'll be in the loop. Now a few more, but these are super important too. Session status tells you if your WhatsApp session is active, disconnected, expired, you name it. And if the QR code gets updated, like when you're setting up a new session or relinking your number, you'll get the QR code updated webhook, which makes setup and automation super easy. So yeah, that's the webhook system built into WasenderAPI, and I'm telling you, it's not just a feature, it's one of the reasons why this platform is so powerful. Because here's the thing, if you're building anything that involves WhatsApp automation, whether it's sending reminders, handling support chats, syncing with your CRM, or just keeping your system responsive in real time, WasenderAPI gives you everything you need with these webhooks. And the best part, you don't need to be a tech genius to use them. Just set your webhook URL, test it, and boom, your app is now running like a smart real-time machine. So if you haven't already, give WasenderAPI a try. It's super developer-friendly, packed with features, and honestly one of the easiest ways to integrate WhatsApp into your business. Start with the free trial and explore how these webhooks can power up your automation and customer experience with just a few lines of code.